Crash course on art history, ancient and classical art. Learn about the art of ancient and classical civilizations, including Greece, Rome, and Egypt. Of course, I'd be happy to give you a crash course on art history, ancient and classical art. The art of ancient and classical civilizations has captivated people for centuries. From the grandeur of Egyptian monuments to the refined beauty of Greek pottery, these works of art continue to inspire and amaze us today. In this crash course, we'll take a closer look at some of the most fascinating examples of ancient and classical art, and explore the cultural and historical context in which they were created. Examples and stories. One of the most famous examples of ancient art is the Great Sphinx of Giza, a massive statue of a human-headed lion that dates back to the Old Kingdom of Egypt. Carved out of limestone, the Sphinx stands over 20 meters tall and has been a symbol of Egypt for over 4,500 years. According to legend, the Sphinx was created to guard the pyramids of Giza and prevent anyone from entering without permission. Today, the Sphinx remains a popular tourist attraction and a testament to the skill and ingenuity of ancient Egyptian artists and architects. Another fascinating example of ancient art is the Parthenon, a temple dedicated to the goddess Athena that was built in Athens during the 5th century BCE. The Parthenon is considered one of the greatest achievements of classical Greek architecture, featuring intricate sculptures and detailed friezes that depict scenes from Greek mythology. Despite its age, the Parthenon remains one of the most iconic and recognizable buildings in the world, and a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Greece. Top 12 Popular Art of Ancient and Classical Civilizations. 1. Egyptian Pyramid Art. The pyramids of Egypt are some of the most impressive and iconic works of art from the ancient world. Built as tombs for pharaohs and their consorts, these massive structures were decorated with hieroglyphs and intricate carvings that depicted scenes from Egyptian mythology and daily life. 2. Greek Sculpture. Greek sculpture is renowned for its naturalistic depictions of the human form, and its influence can be seen in art throughout the Western world. From the Koros statues of the Archaic period to the refined, lifelike sculptures of the Classical period, Greek artists revolutionized the art of sculpture. 3. Roman Mosaics. Roman mosaics were used to decorate floors and walls, and featured intricate designs made up of tiny colored tiles. These works of art were often used to depict scenes from daily life, as well as mythological and historical subjects. 4. Egyptian Hieroglyphs. Hieroglyphs were a form of writing used by the ancient Egyptians, and were often used to decorate tombs and monuments. These intricate symbols and pictograms were a key part of Egyptian art and culture, and continue to fascinate scholars and enthusiasts today. 5. Greek Pottery. Greek pottery was a highly prized art form, and was used for everything from storing food and water to serving wine at banquets. These works of art featured intricate designs and detailed scenes, and are prized for their beauty and historical significance. 6. Roman Frescoes. Roman frescoes were used to decorate walls and ceilings, and often depicted scenes from mythology, history, and daily life. These works of art were highly prized by the wealthy and powerful, and continue to fascinate scholars and art lovers today. 7. Egyptian Funerary Art. Egyptian funerary art was created to accompany the dead on their journey to the afterlife. These works of art included everything from elaborate coffins to figurines and amulets, and were often decorated with hieroglyphs and scenes from Egyptian mythology. 8. Greek Architecture. Greek architects revolutionized the art of building, creating temples, theaters, and public buildings that were both functional and beautiful. From the towering columns of the Parthenon to the sweeping curves of the theater at Epidaurus, Greek architecture remains a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Greece. 9. Roman Statuary. Roman artists were masters of the art of sculpture, creating lifelike portraits of emperors and other important figures, as well as intricate works of art that depicted mythological and historical scenes. 10. Egyptian Jewelry. Egyptian jewelry was highly prized, and was often buried with the dead as a symbol of their wealth and status. These works of art featured intricate designs and were made from precious materials like gold and lapis lazuli. 11. Greek Drama. Greek drama was a highly popular form of entertainment, and remains influential to this day. Plays like Oedipus Rex and Medea continue to be performed and studied, and have had a profound impact on the development of Western literature and theater. 12. Roman Engineering. Roman engineers were masters of the art of building, creating aqueducts, roads, and public buildings that were both functional and beautiful. These works of engineering were vital to the growth and expansion of the Roman Empire, and continue to inspire awe and admiration today. Summary. In this crash course on art history, ancient and classical art, we've explored some of the most fascinating examples of art from the ancient and classical world. From the massive pyramids of Egypt to the refined beauty of Greek pottery, these works of art continue to inspire and amaze us today. We've also looked at the cultural and historical context in which these works of art were created, and learned about the artists and craftsmen who brought them to life. Whether you're a student of art history or simply a lover of art, the world of ancient and classical art is rich with fascinating stories, beautiful works of art, and endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. Poem. Ancient and classical art. A world of beauty, a world apart. From the pyramids of Egypt to the Parthenon, these works of art will live on and on. Greek sculpture, Roman frescoes, Egyptian hieroglyphs and funerary art. Each piece a testament to the artist's skill. A lasting legacy, a window to the past. From mosaics to pottery, engineering feats to jewelry, these works of art speak to our souls. A connection to history, a glimpse of the whole. In ancient times, they were created. A tribute to the gods, the living, the dead. Today, we marvel at their beauty. A reminder of the past, a call to duty. To preserve and protect these works of art. To honor the artists who played their part. To learn and explore, to expand our minds. Ancient and classical art, a world of endless finds. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.